In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the custom camera tracking feature in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and add the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. After that, go to the toolbar and tap the camera tracking feature. Select the custom preset for manual adjustment. Adjust the camera tracker in the previous screen to focus on the subject you want to track. Tap the Start button to begin processing the camera tracking. After the tracking is complete, you may notice blurred parts at the corner of your clip. By default, the Blur to Canvas option is activated. Simply deactivate it if you don't want to apply it to your video. Adjust parameters like Fit to Canvas, which ensure the track object stays aligned within the canvas size, and the lock object size, which keep the size of the track object consistent throughout the clip regardless of the movement. Once you're done, play back your video to check the tracking effect. Once satisfied, tap the export button to save your final video. And that's it! You've successfully used custom camera tracking in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching, and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!